Hi there, and welcome back to my channel Full Stack Explorers. Today's video we will talk about how to connect Mongodb with Fresh.js project. As we are making a to-do app and already in the same project, let's get started. Let's create a folder in our main directory. I'll name the folder utils. We will use that folder to utilize our helper files and methods, which we will add here. Right-click on that folder. Create a new file name, dbconnection.ts. Before writing anything here, let's create two more files. One will be here with name config.ts. The other file will be in main directory, which will be .env file. In .env file, we will write a MongoDB connection string here, which you can get from MongoDB Compass. Open MongoDB Compass, connect the DB. Click on three dots which are on right side of localhost. Now click on Copy Connection String. Now let's get back to VS Code and paste or write that connection string there. Save that file. Go to config.ts file now. There is a config utility which provided by deno. This config method is used to get the .env file data. If you are familiar with node.js, there we use process.env to get the .env file data. I'll get the MongoDB URI from there and export that below. Now let's get back to our DB connection file. The deno have a utility which provide type of DB, which is database, and Mongo client, which used to create connection. I'll share all the links below, don't worry, so you can read their documentation too. I'll import MongoDB URI here. I'll initialize a variable named db and pass the type database to it. I'll create an asynchronous function below which will be create MongoDB connection. Add a try-catch here. If we got any errors, this will help us. I'll create a variable name client which creates a new instance of the Mongo client class, which is used to interact with the MongoDB database. The client instance to the MongoDB server specified in the MongoDB_URI variable. The await keyword is used to wait for the connection to be established before proceeding. The console indicating that the MongoDB connection has been successfully established, which we will see if we don't get any issue there in our console. This next line returns a reference to the to-dos database from the connected client instance. This database can then be used to perform operations such as inserting, updating, and deleting documents in the to-dos database. Outside the function, I'll do two exports. First, I'll equal my method to db variable, which I initialize above. Second thing, we'll export the create MongoDB connection function too, which we will use to connect our DB in our main entry point of app, which we will talk about in our next video. That's it for now. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!